Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just start dropshipping without any investment with Shopify. So to do that, you have to just uh, come to this site shopify.com. Then here you have to just put your email. So for this video, I am using a temporary mail for you can just reload it. So you can just paste it here and you have to click on start free trial. So here I am starting just. So as you can see, we have online beyond online store. So here we want to buy and sell the clothes, and we can just provide do it later. So as you can see, we have to add an account. For here, we just change the mail. So here I'm pasting my mail. So for here, as you can see, I'm like we have to go to our home. I want to wait. I have to create a new mail. So as you can see here, we have to just continue with our mail, and here is our account. So you can just create a new account. So it will take about a minute. So as you can see uh, here we have like an account. So here we can just drop ship with here. So we have to just first set up like our business address. So we're selecting here for my shop as US uh, US dollars. As you can see, where is US dollars? So I'm selecting as US dollars and saving. So my store currency is now US dollar, as you can see. So here we can see I've converted to store to US dollar. So here we can see as we have option to add app. We have to just click on here, add app. So here we have to search as CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping provides us free of cost dropshipping. Okay, so we will just connect account to a Shopify, and then we can just use it. So we have to just click here, CJ Dropshipping. So here you can see CJ Dropshipping is free to install, and it's free totally. So as you can see, it's totally free. It does not take any fees. So it's only charge a service fee that will be like added to your product. So here you have to just click on add app. Add the app will be added. So here you can see just clicking here. Uh, our app has been added. So we'll click on install. So you have to just authorize. So if you make an account that if previously made, that's why it's saying to authorize. It's just to make the account, you can just create a register here, and your account will be authorized. So as you can see, my account has been authorized by CJ. So I have to just come to here home. So here I have to just remember my store ID is 8494FE. Okay, so here we have to just come and just you can see add trending product. We can just view more the trending products. So uh, this lighting is trending. So this cost about like 12 to $100. This is like a wireless charger lighting type of thing. So we can just open it. We can just view it. So I'm making like a electronic type of site. So we can just select 2 3 products. So let us select. So we can like this cloud also is very popular. This cloud sleepers. We can just so we can add this painting, LED decorative LED painting. So we can add to the store. So I'm adding this product, 2 products. So to add them, first we will add this. So we have to click on list. So as you can see, so we have to just select our store. So in a store, we have to just select this. Okay. So you can just to charge tax. You can just select here as product type. You can just add new electric. Okay. You can just confirm, and we can just add a vendor. We can enter as um you, and we can just you can see the videos also. Just the videos we can just select this. So this video URL we can just select this video. Yes. So this is pay now. This is like a shutter. This video is free, so you can list. So as you can see, so here we can see the app. So we can just click here, recommend listing price. So it's recommending the listing price. You can just clear it. So as you can see, these are the products that are listing. So we can just set here as a profit income. Our profit is to set like here you can see. So our total cost is like to this product we have a total cost about $24, and we are selling in like a 61. So it will like a double profit, like more than double. Okay, so this products cost you about like a $24, and we can selling at like a 409%. So we can just check the all prices and list. You can just click on list now. So it will take a time. So let's just open another window. So as you can see here, we have option one as list. We have to click on list. So here we can see we have a listing option. We can just select restore, charge tax, and we can just select the product type. We have electric, add new, electric, confirm. So we have to add UV vendor. So we can just recommend here also price. So this is okay for lighting painting. This price are okay. So we can just list it now. So it will take a time. We can go to our on listing. So here we can see the product that are on the way to listing. So from here we can just find the product, and by clicking the list we can just add it to the our store. So we can see it's pending. So we can just wait. We can just reload it, check it. So see, the dropshipping will manage the product. So if customer will order, you can see your order okay from here. your order section to orders fulfillment. You can just see if anyone will order from your shop. You can see from directly from here. Okay, so let's go to our product, connection not listed. So as you can see, these are my previous products, so this is listed, or you can see the products that are in listing process. So you can see it's remaining. So let's so it's listed. So let us check. So to check, you have to just click on product. So here you can see this both products have been listed. So you can just check this preview. So as you can see, these products are live now. These are two pieces. So you can see this like wireless charger. So we can just secondly see, we can see this decorative LED decorative painting beside picture style creative. Okay, so this is like good, just not bad. But we can just make the pricing like attractive. We can just do double nine or $19, or we can do as 19 or $29. So it will like make your price attractive. We can just edit from here. As you can see, we have a option to, here we can just go, and as you can see, we can just go down. So in the price section we have the price, so we can just edit it from here and save it. Then we can just like edit the price and make it attractive as possible. As so this is how you can just do drop shipping on Shopify without money. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.